In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp Offers feature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate competition on any Amazon listing and make confident buy or skip decisions. Start on the Amazon product page for the item you're researching. Open the Selleramp Says extension so it overlays the listing. Once it loads, scroll to the Offers section. This is the control center for competitive analysis. It displays every active seller who's offering the same product, giving you a real-time snapshot of the playing field. In the Offers panel, focus on the key details shown for each seller: their name, whether they're using FBA, FBM, or if the offer is from Amazon itself, the price with or without shipping, and the estimated stock level. Taken together, these data points show you who you're up against and how aggressive they might be. Remember, the shipping component matters because it affects the buyer's total price and your ability to match it. Next, gauge the overall competition. Look at how many sellers are on the listing, the split between FBA and FBM, and whether Amazon is present. As a rule of thumb, more sellers usually means stiffer competition, and if Amazon is on the listing, it's typically harder to win the buy box, which is the default seller slot most customers purchase from. Here's a powerful shortcut. Click any competitor's price. Selleramp will automatically set that as your target selling price and instantly recalculate your projected profit and ROI. For the most accurate results, make sure your buy cost is already entered in Selleramp, so those calculations reflect your real margins. Pay attention to the estimated stock per seller. Low stock can signal an opportunity if you can price competitively and hold position. High stock suggests a stronger, more persistent competitor who may keep the buy box longer. Consider the fulfillment method. FBA offers fast shipping and typically wins the buy box more often. FBM can be slower, which sometimes makes it easier for a well-priced FBA offer to take the lead. If the offer is Amazon's own, expect the toughest competition. If you want to research a competitor further, click the seller's name to open their storefront. This lets you browse their other products and understand their inventory focus, which can help you anticipate pricing behavior. Check the total number of offers on the listing and use Load More to ensure you're seeing the full field before you decide. Finally, ask yourself if you can match the market price, realistically win the buy box, and handle the current level of competition. If yes, proceed with confidence. If not, skip and move on to the next opportunity.